In today's video, I'll show you how to remove Klaviyo branding from your emails, giving your communications a professional touch and keeping your brand front and center. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account and heading to the home page where you manage your emails, flows and audience. If you notice Klaviyo branding on your emails, that's normal on the regular plan. Here's the important part. Removing Klaviyo branding requires upgrading to a higher tier plan. If you are on the free or basic plan, this option won't be available until you upgrade. Once you're ready, look for the Remove Klaviyo Branding option in the menu. Click it and you'll be guided to the upgrade page. Here choose a plan that fits your needs, keeping in mind that higher tier plans also unlock other useful features for your email marketing. After upgrading, return to the Remove Klaviyo Branding option. With the upgraded plan active, you can now complete the process and remove the branding from your emails. And that's it. Now your emails reflect only your brand without any external distractions. This simple step ensures your messages look polished and professional, whether you're running a small business or managing large-scale campaigns. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.